Hello everyone, today is August 1st, 2018. Now let's take a look at today's Bitcoin price. As I told you in the video yesterday, short-term risks are pulling up due to the long duration of the volatility around the Fibonacci level of 0.382. So yesterday in the video we highlighted two important support levels for the bulls. The Fibonacci level of 0.382, which is around to $8,000, and the downwards pressure line is down to the 7,900 US dollar. And as I told you in the video yesterday, if the currents were to about to break the 7,900 USDT line, the whole upwards movement would be destroyed in terms of the K line, and thus the current price will step into the short power operations. We can see from the current line trend that MA6 has completely turned into a short run. Today's currency has even fell below MA18, and if it can return to the top of the MA18 about the last 2 or 3 days, then it will drive MA18 down, and the whole market will go low. The two averages will then create a significant pressure zone for the rebound and about the current prices, which will be difficult to break in the short term. And so now that the short position is in the place, it will be hard to restore it in short terms. So now for the investors, the general direction of the overall have to change. Sell tokens once it go high. You probably want to ask how to determine the price is high, and as we can see from the chart of the daily line level, according to the pressure line we drew before, since the current price is now running below the pressure line, this line has changed from support to pressure zone. So about $7,800 here constitutes a high selling point. Then the position of MA6 at the top will also be a good position to I have to say, in short term, the probability of the Bitcoin to rise is really relatively small. As we mentioned in the previous video, the era of USDT 7,300 to USDT 7,500 constitutes a high traded area, so it is still difficult for the currency to rise to about directly break through the platform support around the USD 7,500. So it is going to fluctuate around 7,500, and it probably won't go down as well. However, it is difficult for us to decide whether to choose the long positions or to choose the short positions after finishing this sort. At least from the current trend, it is obviously that the short side takes the major position. So overall direction is mainly go down. Okay, here we switch the technical indicator to SAR. You can see that SAR is directly transferred to the space side area due to the overcast shadow of yesterday. From here, we can see that all the technical indicators will eventually point to the same result. So at the daily level, you just have to use 2 or 3 technical indicators to analyze and come to the same conclusion. Therefore, you can learn more about the joint application of technical analysis indicators in the future so as to support your own judgment and refine details of the operation. Okay, that's all for you guys. See you next time. Thank you. Remember, sell once it go high.